When to call a locksmith. If you have lost your keys and you are locked out of your house. If your home key is broken and is stuck inside the lock. If you left the key in the lock and cannot open the door from the outside. If the key is not turning in the lock or is getting stuck at some point. If the key is moving properly but the door is not opening. Your key has been misplaced or someone has gotten your key. We can reach in 30 minutes anywhere in Dubai after confirmation. Please make sure that you provide original Emirates ID, tenancy contract, or title deed of the house before the locksmith opens the door. We are well equipped with the latest tools having 20 years of industry experience. We can unlock all types of doors without any damage or scratches on the door with the replacement of lock and new keys. For more information, please visit locksmithdubai.ae or call 971-554-483-370.